Welcome to ShortView Trading, it's your morning market hit for Thursday, 8th of October. What matters today for traders? Well, what a fantastic rally we've seen in the S&P over the past 24 hours. Having sold off sharply on Tuesday evening on the back of Trump's cancellation of the fiscal negotiations, the S&P is now back above those levels, back above Tuesday's intraday high and pushing on towards highs that we saw on the 16th of September at the end of the Wave 2 relief rally. You'll recall from our September videos, we were in a three-wave pullback from the 2nd of September highs, bouncing from the 9th to the 16th of September and then selling off again to the 24th, 25th of September in the third wave of that pullback. Well, as you can see, and as I mentioned, we're now back at that Wave 2 relief rally highs from the 16th of September, trying to push through them. This is a key level. Interestingly, in supporting the bullish momentum in markets which we think is in place, you saw considerable narrowing of a number of credit spreads, whether it's US high yield, the CCC rated, or the broader high yield index, or the Eurozone high yield, or even muni spreads. All of these spreads are basically risk premiums. As they narrow, it tells you that the equity market should be rallying, and that tends to be what happens. They're nicely correlated, narrowing spreads and rising equity markets. And of course, we've seen that in recent trading sessions, whether you're looking at US high yields, CCCs, or other spreads. The spreads are confirming the uptrend. The price action is impressive. Our models, of course, have been moving higher from their strong buy signals and on the sort of 21st through to 25th of September. And those models are now moving towards sell. An occasional one, some of them just about on sell now. Most of them close to sell, but not there quite yet. So we think momentum remains to the upside. We're encouraged by earnings season, which is coming up. That normally adds further upside momentum to markets. As you can see from the table in front of you now, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, it begins in earnest. Some big banks reporting, JP Morgan, Bank of America, and so on. Generally, they add to upside momentum. So to see how we're playing this market and our recommendation, our specific recommendation on equity index futures and how we're moving our stop loss, please see today's Daily Rag available to subscribers via the website. So what are we watching today? Well, it's pretty light. There's some weekly jobless claims out of the States, which we'll be focused on, and a number of ECB governors speaking and one or two Fed governors as well. And of course, any discussion about the new narrower fiscal discussions, whether it's airline aid or similar packages like that, will be watched closely. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Thursday, 8th of October. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube. Simply search under ShortView Trading or follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and or Facebook. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Trade well.